Hey, what's up you guys? I'm back with another episode of Action Figure Unboxing. I've got two packages to go through today. This first one is wrapped up really nice. It's got like this brown paper wrap, I guess, all the way around it. I don't want to show off my address and stuff, but yeah, it's really nicely wrapped. So we'll go through these and we'll see what we got inside. First layer reveals another box. Kind of weird. Oh, and this is really taped up. Jesus Christ. Man, there's so much tape on here. I've never seen so much tape. It's like hard to cut through tape too. It's like reinforced. Eh. Okay. Whoa! Man, they packed the shit out of it. But this is looking awesome. The Infinity Saga, Rescue Armor, and Captain Marvel from Infinity War. This looks really good. Carol Danvers and Pepper Potts. Those actor head sculpts look really good. Tons of accessories. All kinds of hands. Extra face sculpts for Pepper. Only one for her, but she comes with the Infinity Gauntlet. These extra backpack pieces. Repulsor Blast. Lots of accessories in here. So I'm super happy with this 2-pack. Wow. And this looks like the face sculpt is a much nicer Pepper Potts than domino them down. So there's a look at those armors there. To get all of this. I hate knocking stuff down. That looks really good. So to the side and keep going. So package number 2. This one should be easier to open. It's just regular tape on here. I think that was like special packing tape or something. It was like reinforced with these lines on it. Oh, why is it open? I really wish they would have packed that better. They had it like diagonally and it opened up, but I think that's just a thank you note. And then here I've got the 3-pack. It feels really light. It feels really loose and weird. So this is the 3-pack Marvel Legends, Storm, Forge, and Jubilee. This looks pretty good. The looseness, in fact, it's open. I don't like. I can see the tape is cut here. Like, hopefully they're all in there. I'm gonna check this one just because it seems very empty packaging. I think there's no accessories in here. Oh, he's holding it. Okay. So he did have the accessory. I was kind of worried about that. That looks really good. With the bright yellow and blue. Since I opened one, I guess we'll open them all up. What's this other thing in here? Alternate hands. Okay. Okay. Should be Jubilee. Yeah. And we got Jubilee. Looking quite nice. Love that bubblegum head sculpt. And her accessories. Looks like alternate head and flame effects. And then Storm. It's the one I'm probably the most excited about from this 3-pack. Oh, and she's got a little accessory pack as well. That's awesome. I love that face sculpt. Okay, so I'll do individual reviews of these further down the line, but I just wanted to double check to make sure everything was in there, because it seemed like very, very empty packaging. I feel like there should be some kind of supporting cardboard in there or something that they've just taken out. It works. Happy with that. Okay, well, you don't need to see me pack everything back up, I guess. So that concludes the end of this video. Hit that like button if you like this video. Hit the subscribe button so you make sure to stay up to date with all my latest videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.